For this project, you'll need safety glasses and gloves, putty knives, one thin, flexible, and one thick, rigid, a hard rubber mallet, a caulking gun with silicone, and suction cup. Remove tape backing from all sides of sliding door. Apply small amount of clear silicone to the butt joint where the two pieces of the tape meet. Be careful not to use too much silicone or it will increase cleaning time. Place setting blocks approximately 4 inches from bottom corners. Starting at the bottom section, set the IGU on the setting blocks and center the unit into frame. Make sure the IGU is sitting completely on the setting blocks. Also, make sure that the low E or tint sight is facing the exterior. Then, lean the top of the glass into the door. Gently press the unit against the glazing tape. Press the setting blocks fully under the IGU. Insert the top and bottom glazing bead, starting at the corners, and tap the bead into place with a hard rubber mallet. Finish inserting remaining glazing bead around the door. Inspect door and ensure that the IGU is fully inserted with glazing bead accurately installed. Make sure the glass is clean after field glazing. Remove the bottom and side glazing beads with a putty knife. Using a rigid putty knife or razor blade, separate the glazing tape from the IGU by inserting between the two and following along all edges. Remove top glazing bead. Remove the glass unit, either with 2 people or using a suction cup. Make sure and clean the interior prior to installing new glass.